Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim Special Edition. First, you'll create your unique character, selecting a race and customizing their appearance. After that, complete the initial Helgen tutorial, which teaches you essential movement and combat mechanics. Once free, you can follow the main quest or immediately begin exploring the vast open world of Tamriel, discovering new locations and challenges. Next, let's cover core gameplay. Combat involves using various weapons, powerful spells, and dragon shouts. You'll need to manage your inventory carefully, equipping the best gear and utilizing potions for health or stamina. As you play, your skills will improve, allowing you to level up and choose perks that enhance your character's unique playstyle, making you stronger and more versatile. Skyrim offers immense exploration. You'll discover countless diverse locations, from bustling cities to ancient, dangerous dungeons. Talk to non-player characters to accept various quests, which provide valuable rewards and advance compelling storylines. Remember, you can fast travel to any location you've already visited, saving time and making your adventures more efficient across the expansive map. Finally, let's discuss character progression and some key tips. Decide on a primary playstyle, whether you prefer being a powerful warrior, a cunning mage, or a stealthy thief. Utilize crafting and enchanting to create and improve your gear, gaining significant advantages. Most importantly, save your game frequently, especially before dangerous encounters, to ensure you never lose valuable progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.